I'm going to share something super important, especially if you're a complete beginner and want to start trading from zero. Now, imagine this. If I was starting all over again today, after 6 years of trading, losing money, making money, facing all the ups and downs of the market, what exact roadmap would I follow? So make sure you watch this video till the very end, because this isn't just theory. This is the roadmap I wish I had when I started.
Step 1. Choosing your market. If you're a complete beginner, the very first step is understanding what markets are out there. You've got 3 main choices: stock market, crypto market, and forex market. Now, I've traded in all 3. First stocks, then crypto, and for the last 3 years, only in forex. And let me be honest with you, if I had to start from scratch today, I would jump straight into forex. Why? Because stocks often come with limits, restrictions, slow growth, and high costs. But forex? It's a global market, open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, massive liquidity, and endless opportunities. Think of it like this. Trading in a small market is like opening a shop in a tiny town. Even if everyone shops from you, your growth is limited. But forex? It's like opening that shop in New York, London, or Dubai. Millions of people passing by every single day. Do you see the difference? Step 2. Choosing a broker. Now, listen carefully, because this step can make or break your journey. A broker is simply the middleman, connecting buyers and sellers. For example, if I want to buy gold, someone has to sell it. The broker makes that transaction happen, and of course they charge a small fee. But here's the scary part. Choose the wrong broker, and your journey becomes a nightmare. High fees eat your profits. And worst of all, scam brokers exist. Yes, brokers that can literally disappear with your hard-earned money. That's why I say this again and again. Always choose a regulated, trusted, and reliable broker. Because even if you're the best trader in the world, if your broker isn't safe, your money isn't safe. Step 3. Choosing a trading platform. Okay, now, after the broker comes the platform. Think of it this way. The broker is the back end, the system. The platform is your front end, your screen, where you click buy and sell. Some of the best platforms out there are MetaTrader 5, CTrader, and TradeLocker. Personally, I use MT5 and TradeLocker. Both are clean, fast, and just work perfectly. Step 4. Learning the core concepts. All right, now comes the fun part, learning the basics. And if you ask me, after 6 years of ups and downs, what's the #1 concept you should focus on? Apart from risk management, of course, it's liquidity. If you know where liquidity is sitting, you know where the big players are about to push the market. And trust me, that's a game changer. Other important concepts to focus on: support and resistance, trend lines, liquidity zones, some basics of volume, but hey, don't overload yourself. When I started, I read books, watched courses, filled notebooks, but at the end of the day, you'll only use a few concepts that really matter. So keep it simple. Step 5. Building and backtesting your strategy. Now, once you've got the basics, it's time to build your own strategy. A strategy should answer, what will you trade? For example, gold in forex. What risk-reward ratio will you aim for? What time of day will you trade? What will your entry and exit look like? And please don't rush into live trading. No. First, backtest your strategy on past data. Why? Because you wouldn't take a brand new car onto a highway without practice, right? Same thing here. Test your strategy on 6 to 12 months of charts. If you get an 80% win rate in backtest, in live markets it might drop to 60%, and that's still incredible. Step 6. Demo trading and going live. Once your backtest is solid, move to a demo account. This is where you practice your strategy in real time, but without risking your money. It builds confidence and shows you if you can actually stick to your rules. And only then, only after proving yourself on demo, move to either a prop firm challenge or a live account with your broker. So, that's the roadmap I would follow if I was starting from zero today. Pick the right market, forex, choose a reliable broker, use a strong platform, learn liquidity and basics, build and backtest your strategy, demo trade, and then go live. Follow this step by step, and you'll save yourself years of frustration and mistakes. I hope this video gave you clarity and confidence to start your trading journey. And hey, even if you're not a complete beginner, I'm sure you picked up some missing pieces today. If this helped you, drop a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.